Look here. Now you have been dressing good, but you know what? It's time for you to change. It's time for you to start, killing it. Watch this video. Now, number one, guys, fit is a major key in every outfit that you rock. Please make sure the clothes fit you right, because that is the only way you are going to dress to kill. Let me give you an example of style influencers, and I'm sure you know them, and I'm sure you've seen some of their pictures. Let me tell you something. These style influencers have one thing in common, and that thing is their clothes fit them right. In whichever outfit they wear, their clothes fit them right. Jose Zuniga and Magic Fox. These guys have a great influence in the whole style, in the whole men's fashion, according to myself. And a major thing I see in every outfit they put on is that they make sure that their outfits are well fit, are tailored according to their body size, according to the shape of their body, and all that. So that is the first guideline if you want to dress to kill. Make sure your outfits fit you right. Second guideline, you want to dress to kill? Less is more. What am I talking about? I'm talking about just wearing less. I'm talking about accessorizing less. I'm talking about wearing your cologne less, because less is more. It's not about how many outfits you rock out. It's not about how many outfits you layer for them to look good. It's about knowing what goes with what. Alright, now let me give you an example. You see these two guys walking on the street. They've worn the same suit. But one guy stands out, one looking elegant, one guy is looking classy, so decent, but the other guy, he's rocking the suit, he looks good, but it's just not there. Let me give you a reason why. The first guy who you admire is simple, has worn a nice suit, has just completed the outfit with a pocket square. The other guy, on the other hand, has worn the suit, has put on a pocket square, has put on a lapel, has worn a tie bar. Oh my god, that is too much. It's about less. It's about less is more. Less is more when it comes to dressing to kill. You see another guy on the streets, he's worn some distressed pair of jeans, but the jeans are distressed all over. Then you see another guy with the same pair of distressed jeans, but his distressing is just on the knee. Who kills it? The guy who was distressing on the knee. Why? Because it is simple, it is less. Less is more, guys. The second guy to dress to kill, less. Just wear less. Less is more. The third guideline on how to dress to kill: colors, 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 colors. Just put other colors aside and focus on the basic colors: black, white, gray, and navy. You're going to dress to kill. Let me give you an example. How do you best identify James Bond? In a black suit. So you want to dress to kill. Avoid unnecessary colors. Just put on the basic colors. You're going to stand out. The final guideline to how to dress to kill: be confident. Always put on that smile, or laugh if it's meant to be the way I laugh at almost anything. That's the best way on how you can dress to kill. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the outfit, it's about yourself. You can dress well, you can have that good suit, but if you're not confident, if you're not proud of yourself, no one is going to say that you've killed that outfit. It's the confidence that's in you that people are going to see that, wow, that guy has killed it, that guy has nailed it on that outfit. So that is the fourth guideline on how you can dress to kill. Now, I hope this video has helped you out one way or another. Please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe on the subscribe button below. Make sure also you check some of my other videos on the description box. Until next time, guys.